Lesson 42. Agreeing and disagreeing. When you agree with someone completely, you can say, I totally agree, or I strongly agree. Another way to describe 100% agreement is to say a person agrees wholeheartedly. On the other hand, you can say, I agree up to a point, if you agree with part of the person's opinion but disagree with another part. Another expression is, I agree in principle, if you agree with the idea but not with the practical application. Avoid the common error of saying, I'm agree. The correct phrase is, I agree, more informally, or I'm in agreement, more formally. We can say that two people share an opinion or share a view if they have the same perspective. But if there are differences, then we call this a difference of opinion. If the difference of opinion is very big, then the two sides are said to be worlds apart on the issue. Hopefully, two people who think differently will be able to reach a compromise, agree on a fair solution, without having a heated argument, angry or intense argument about the issue. One polite way to express your disagreement is, I'm afraid I disagree. You can also say, I see your point, to communicate the fact that you understand the other person's idea or opinion. We call a small disagreement a minor or slight disagreement, and a big disagreement is a major or serious disagreement. It's easy to reason with the person who disagrees respectfully, but it's more difficult to settle a disagreement, resolve a disagreement, if the other person disagrees vehemently, with intense emotion and expression. If the conflict continues for a long time, it can be called a long-running dispute. And if it involves lots of angry and negative emotions, then it's a bitter dispute. If the two sides cannot agree to disagree, tolerate the other person's opinion despite disagreeing, then they may need the help of a third party to resolve the conflict. Now listen to and repeat the collocations about agreeing and disagreeing. I totally agree. I strongly agree. Agrees wholeheartedly. I agree up to a point. I agree in principle. Share an opinion. Share a view. A difference of opinion. Be worlds apart. Reach a compromise. A heated argument. I'm afraid I disagree. I see your point. A minor or slight disagreement. A major or serious disagreement. Disagrees respectfully. Settle a disagreement. Disagrees vehemently. A long-running dispute. A bitter dispute. Agree to disagree. Resolve the conflict. Now take the practice quiz to test your knowledge of the collocations about agreeing and disagreeing.